Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Today we are having another lecture of online lab session. Now, last time we have learned about an application or a software which was Notepad. From today, in this week, we are going to start a new application which is WordPad. Yes. Now, WordPad is also a text typing software application. Now, let's move on to the computer and let's see that how can you access this software and how can you use it. Okay, I'm moving on to the computer and let's see how we can use this. Okay, students, now this is my desktop screen of laptop. Now, Now, the point is that how can you access this software application, which is WordPad? If you remember last time, I have told you two ways of accessing Notepad. Okay, one was the search bar. That on in this search bar you can type the application or software name which you want to access. Now, I have written Word. Now, by this word software MS Word is appeared in front of you. So we are not using this word right now. We are interested to learn about WordPad. Okay. So you are not going to use this word right now. Right now we are learning about WordPad. So you have to open this software which is WordPad, which looks like this. Okay, this was one way of accessing WordPad. Let's let's see that how can we access WordPad from the start menu. So what you need to do is click on the start menu and you have to go on in the all apps or all application. Then it you will find this in Windows accessory folder. Okay, from where you have accessed Notepad, right? In the same list, you would be having this WordPad option. Okay, so these are the two ways or two options by which you can access WordPad from your computer, right? Okay, now this is the main window or main screen of the WordPad. It is also used for typing text, right? So it is also a text typing software. Now in Notepad, what we have seen that we can only type text in the software. Now here also you can do typing and you can also insert picture, drawing and some object in your document. Now you already know how to type. Same way you have to type in WordPad. Like if I say welcome to WordPad, you can do the same. If you want to change the style of the font, first of all you have to select it, select the text. You have to select any font which you like for your text. Then you can increase the size of the text, you can change the color of the text. These all are the font option is having all those things which you have, some of them which you have used in your Notepad, right? So underline means that you can underline your data, okay, or the line which you have written. Okay, welcome to Notepad. Okay, students. Now I have written some lines just to let you know that how can we do more formatting in this software or application which is WordPad. I have written some lines. I like to use computer. It is very easy to use. I want to learn new things in computer. Okay. So again, if you want to change the color, the font color or font style, Simply you have to select the line on which you want to apply the style. You want to change the size, you want to change the color of the text, right? You want to underline it, highlight it, okay? Likewise, this is basically a highlighter. The highlighter which you usually use in your on your books during your study. You use it to highlight the words in your book or in your anywhere you want. Okay, so see, I'm just doing what? I'm just showing you that how can you apply different font style and font size, right? So simply you have to write something, you have to type your text, and you have to select that text, and you have to use this font style. You can use any font style, you can use any font size, you can change the size of the text, you can change the color of the text, you can use the highlighter to highlight the text. Okay, see the effect of highlighter, let me show you. Okay, so today I've just shown you that how can we use this font group in the WordPad. Okay, uh, typing is the same, you can type anything in WordPad. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट टाइप वैसे ही करना है जैसे आपने नोटपैड में किया था, वर्ड पैड में भी टेक्स्ट टाइपिंग वैसी ही है. And then you can give different colors, different size to your text. Okay, so I'm giving you an assignment that you have to write. राइट नाउ मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये फॉन्ट ग्रुप के अंदर जितनी ऑप्शंस हैं उसको कवर किए हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम थोड़ा सा पिक्चर को देख लेंगे, कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं बुलेट्स, और बाकी चीज़ों को देख लेंगे. सो राइट नाउ आपने असाइनमेंट क्या करनी है, यू हैव टू राइट 5 lines. Okay, 5 lines, and you have to give separate style, color, and size to the to each and every line. ठीक है, ये मैंने 4 lines लिखी हैं, आपने 5 करनी है. ठीक है, like let me add fifth line, which could be anything. I miss my school days. I hope you are missing. Okay, so students, what we have learned today, we have learned that how can we open, access WordPad from our laptops or computers. Next, how can we type in WordPad? ठीक हो गया, टाइपिंग हमें आती है. यू सिंपली हैव टू टाइप 5 लाइंस, और उसकी हर लाइन को आपने डिफरेंट स्टाइल और डिफरेंट कलर देना है. ठीक हो गया, सो दिस इज बेसिकली योर वर्क विच यू हैव टू डू. Okay, students, now this is your assignment which you have to do. You have to type 5 lines in WordPad, and you have to give a separate look to each line by using your font group. Okay, the font group which we were discussing today. So this image is the sample which we have learned today, that how can we do that. Okay, now best of luck for this work and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.